Shalom, this is Ayelet with the word in Hebrew. In this lesson, we will learn just a few more rules for correct pronunciation. To supplement this course, you can get the complete Hebrew pronunciation chart and many more resources on my website, thewordinhebrew.com. And as always, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and share this video below. In our last lesson, we covered the rules of the Shva vowel. In this lesson, we will add just a few more rules that are important to know for correct pronunciation. Once we have all the rules down, then we can start reading. Now, the following rules will typically replace other rules, so we will need to apply them first. The first rule is when we have the letter Vav with a Shva before a word, it is pronounced ve, and it's really a prefix for and or but. In this example, we will read ve me lech, vemelech, meaning and or but king. When we have this vowel before a word, it is pronounced u and is also a prefix for and or but. Using the same example, we will read u me lech, umelech, and that also means and or but king. When we have the letter chet with the patach, with this vowel at the end of a word, we will pronounce the vowel first and then the chet. So we will have ach at the end of the word instead of cha. This is the only case where the vowel is pronounced before the letter. In this example, reading from right to left, we have pa, tu, ach, patuach, which means open. A yod without a vowel becomes a part of the vowel before it, so it adds a y sound to it. For example, this will be pronounced bay, this will be pronounced my, but in this case, as we learned in lesson 2 on the vowels, it will just be e. And our last rule is when a kamatz is followed by a shva, in most cases that kamatz will be pronounced as an o instead of an a, and that shva will be silent. Here is a good example. We can see that we have a kamatz followed by a shva. So the chet with the kamatz will become cho, and the chaf with the silent shva will just be ch. So together they will make choch. And the last syllable here is ma. Altogether we have choch ma, chochma, which means wisdom. So this is it for the Hebrew rules. In the next lesson, we will take everything we learned so far and start reading sounds and then build it up into words. You might want to review the previous lessons and this lesson to make sure you have a good grasp on everything we've learned so far before you move forward. And as always, please remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with others. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, Shalom and God bless.